In today's world, privacy is becoming increasingly important for homeowners. Whether you live in a bustling neighborhood or a more secluded area of Austin, ensuring that your home offers privacy can help you feel secure, relaxed, and comfortable in your space. One of the most effective ways to boost your home's privacy is through door installation. By upgrading or replacing your doors with models designed for enhanced privacy, you can create a more secluded and peaceful living environment. In this article, we'll explore how door installation in Austin can significantly enhance your home's privacy, helping to keep your personal space secure and undisturbed. Choosing the right door materials for privacy. The material of your doors plays a major role in determining the level of privacy they provide. Some materials offer better sound insulation, while others offer greater security and protection from prying eyes. Solid wood doors. Solid wood doors are one of the best options for creating privacy in your home. Their dense construction helps block sound from traveling between rooms, offering both noise reduction and a sense of seclusion. Wood doors also provide a natural, sturdy barrier that keeps intruders at bay, adding a layer of security to your home. Fiberglass and steel doors. If you're looking for additional security along with privacy, fiberglass or steel doors are great options. These materials offer durability and strength, making it difficult for anyone to see through or break in. Plus, they can be easily insulated to enhance energy efficiency and noise reduction, making your home both private and comfortable. When you choose door installation in Austin, selecting the right material can enhance both your home's aesthetic and its ability to shield you from external distractions and threats. Increased security with privacy doors. Aside from privacy from sound, your doors can also offer protection from unwanted visitors or intruders. Installing a new door that features enhanced locking mechanisms and security features can increase both your privacy and safety. High-quality locks. One of the key benefits of upgrading your doors is the opportunity to install high-quality locking systems. Deadbolts, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems add an extra layer of security that keeps your home private and protected from unauthorized access. Impact-resistant doors. If privacy is a major concern due to your home's proximity to busy streets or high-traffic areas, installing impact-resistant doors is a smart choice. These doors are built to withstand both forceful impacts and harsh weather conditions, making them more secure and less likely to be broken into. Security glass and reinforced door frames can keep your private space more secure while also reducing visibility from the outside. By investing in secure door installation in Austin, you can ensure that your home stays private and safe from external threats. Enhancing sound privacy with new doors. In addition to visual privacy, sound privacy is an important factor for many homeowners. Whether you have a home office, a study, or simply want a quiet space, reducing external noise or preventing sound from leaking between rooms can greatly enhance your comfort. Acoustic doors. For those looking for maximum soundproofing, acoustic doors are a great option. These doors are designed with special materials that absorb sound, preventing noise from traveling in or out of rooms. Installing acoustic doors in areas where you need extra quiet, like bedrooms or offices, can create a more private and peaceful environment. Weather stripping and insulation. Adding weather stripping or other insulation options around your new doors can further enhance sound privacy by sealing gaps around the frame. This can significantly reduce noise transfer from outside, ensuring that your home remains a private and tranquil retreat. By installing doors with soundproofing features, you create an environment that fosters privacy, peace, and quiet, making it easier to focus or relax in your personal space. Strategically placed doors for added privacy. The strategic placement of doors within your home is another effective way to enhance privacy. For instance, installing French doors or sliding doors with frosted glass or blinds can provide privacy while allowing natural light to flow through. These types of doors work well for rooms like living areas, bathrooms, or offices, where you want to maintain privacy without sacrificing brightness or an open feel. Frosted or tinted glass. If you have doors that lead to outdoor spaces or face a busy street, opting for frosted or tinted glass is a simple yet effective way to maintain privacy. These types of glass block visibility from the outside while still letting in light, providing a sense of openness while protecting your privacy. Sliding barn doors. For indoor spaces, consider installing sliding barn doors that offer a unique, stylish way to create separation between rooms. These doors can be used to close off private spaces like offices or bedrooms, providing a distinct separation that promotes privacy while adding a rustic touch to your home's decor. Choosing the right door placement in combination with privacy glass or other features allows you to create functional, private spaces within your home. Increasing home value with privacy-enhancing doors. Installing privacy-enhancing doors is not just a smart choice for comfort and security. It can also add value to your home. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes that offer privacy and security, especially in busy areas or urban settings like Austin. Appeal to buyers. When you choose to install doors that enhance privacy, you're making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Whether it's security doors, soundproof doors, or stylish sliding doors, these upgrades can make your home stand out on the market. Return on investment. The investment you make in door installation that improves privacy will likely result in a solid return on investment, ROI, when it's time to sell. Homes with upgraded, private spaces are seen as more valuable, allowing you to get a better resale price. Conclusion. Door installation in Austin is an excellent way to enhance your home's privacy, security, and comfort. Whether you're upgrading your doors for better sound insulation, adding security features to prevent unauthorized access, or simply creating more private spaces with the right door placement, the benefits are clear. By choosing the right doors for your home, you can enjoy a more secure, private, and peaceful living environment for years to come. Investing in privacy-enhancing door installation is a smart choice that pays off in comfort, security, and value.